Today I'm shooting with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro and the official lens protector only. I have in my pocket a K&F lens filter. And we'll put that on as a 1/4 black mist filter. I'll let you know when I put them on. Right now my settings are 4K. Should be at 60 frames per second. My favorite setting, it's not the bike setting, which I'm going to switch over to now. I noticed when I swapped over to the K&F filter, there was a speck of dust on my lens. And that's what I wanted to avoid. So how do I look to you? You can see the sun in my sunglasses at the 2 o'clock position, and I'll turn around for you nice and slow. Ain't gonna get rid of those trumpet flares, but it's gonna give you a nice soft glow depending on how you use your filter. I'm not a pro at these filters, but you get the idea. From here on in, it's the 1/4 black mist filter. It's a wonderful day for a bike ride. It's nice and warm, but it's a little chilly in the wind. And we're gonna head down to the beach and do a little sightseeing with the camera and see what it can capture. The sun's at 2 o'clock, I'm shaded. I'm heading down towards the bay. The boats have moved a little bit closer, a little bit further, and then taking care of these pairs as we see. We're gonna need to take the long way around. Not a problem. So we got some nice shots, some nice scenery. Let's move along. The shots I'm gonna show forward, it's only gonna show sun in your eyes. Yeah, the shot I'm showing forward is only gonna show the sun in your eyes. That's what I said. I haven't been this way in such a long time. I am going to turn the camera around, not to show you the HRV, but to show you where I'm heading. Don't you just love my nice slow pan with the tripod in hand? Is it that time of season to have the convertible down? It sure is. It's not cold. It's warm. We're not going to go down all the way. We're just going to find a spot and pull on over. It's just windy, riding against the wind. I figure I'd come over here. The sun's over there, shining nicely. Give a good shot. Now I got myself a telescopic lens. And I could put it on my camera, but it's not for 1.1/3 cameras or 1.19. It's a 1/2-inch sensor. I'm wondering if I should tear apart my Yi for it or tear apart the Action 3 and see if it fits that camera. I got 2 lenses that I could swap out, but what for? What am I gonna do with it on there? I think I'm pretty happy with what I got, what I shoot, and what I do. At least I got an action camera. Takes the shot right in front of me. If I wanted to get a better shot, I'd take my Sony HX90V with me. Maybe I would have upped it to a 99 4K. But I don't need to up it to 4K where I could just take the 1080p footage and make it 4K. That's how I feel. I could sit here, zoom in, take the shots I want. So does the K&F filter work out for certain needs? Does it get the shot you want to give it more a natural look to your camera footage? Do you like it? Other people may not love it. They're not gonna hate it. They're gonna just say, hey Fish, you did a good job and it's interesting what you got and what you shot. But I like the other footage a lot better than the K&F. Well, I'm gonna pull off the K&F and I'm gonna put it back on the original official lens protector. Well, there you have it. The official lens protector from DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. I don't have to be here all day so you can see the shot. See the trumpet flares come in. So you have a couple of angles. You have an angle that was in the sun, and you have an angle that's out of the sun. And you have the K&F and you got it, the official And you'll decide for yourself. Don't have to make it a long video. I think I'm gonna hop on out of here, put it on the handlebars, and just pedal on. I do need to clean my bike. My gears are fixed. I just readjusted the bottom. They loosened up a little bit. No longer make that clicking noise for me on third gear. Well, if I want to talk, I can talk. If I want to just speed up, I could speed up. That's what horizon balance should do. And I think I need to switch on over to that. So this way, when I take off, things don't look weird. Don't have to be unangled. So I'll turn my handlebars for you, and off I go. Let's get on out of here, get to where I need to be at. No shakes. So as we're pedaling along, getting to where we need to be at, well, I hope you enjoyed my ride, enjoyed the fun, enjoyed the share that I showed you all. And on that note, you know who I am. I am Fish, and I'll see you on other videos to come.